In a lively AI, human sound effects showdown, the contestants embark on a challenge to create the funniest sound effects for a series of comical scenarios. The AI synthesizes digital noises, occasionally producing amusingly distorted sounds like over-the-top explosions for mundane events. Meanwhile, the human participant cleverly uses instruments and vocal imitations, adding a layer of humor with their spontaneous interpretations. Both contestants face a surprise challenge that tests their ability to mimic cats acting like dogs, leading to unexpectedly hilarious outcomes. The contest showcases the blend of AI innovation and human wit, creating a humorous and engaging interaction that captures the unpredictability of sound design when tech creativity meets human dexterity.